200 metres. You will arrive at your destination.
Yes, we will arrive in our destination. Gee, she's a bit overgrown. Where are you taking us? Which way do we go? Dave's got a great itinerary packed for us today. We are on our first point of interest. Where? Oh.
We may not be going.
Oh. I think I'm going to have to hop out and have a little look. What do you reckon? And what did you say this morning? Why was this one not on their itinerary? Oh, that looks all right. Okay, so I'm on foot. I think I've worked out why this is not on the average tour to come and have a look. I don't think the GoPro is going to do it justice. Like to do a little bit of a walk through just to make sure everything's okay. Brucey did that, no problems. I'm definitely going to say if you're in a hire car or a two-wheel drive, you're not coming to see this place.
This morning at the famous curtain fig tree. Have a look at this beauty. So the original fig tree started with a seed being deposited into a host tree. Then as the seed grew, the aerial roots formed and it actually strangled the host tree. Eventually the host tree dying, falling over, and then the fig tree continued to wrap itself around with the host tree eventually rotting away and the fig tree taking its place. So basically it killed the tree.
It did.
To form itself.
But look how beautiful it is. It's absolutely amazing.
And it's called curtain because that is what the aerial roots represent, is like a curtain forming.
So beautiful. So the curtain fig tree is approximately 15 minutes from the centre of Atherton. It's an easy drive. And you come to this. Absolutely beautiful. We have arrived at the Gallo Dairyland. I'm so excited. I'm so keen for some cheese and some crackers, and Mr. B has told me there's chocolate here. So guess what? That means we're both happy. Did you fancy a cheese platter? It was really good. How good was our cheese platter? That was like $28. That's a small one, and they do a large one for $40. Gotta say, mwah, 10 out of 10. And guess what? We couldn't even finish it, so we got a doggy bag. Love it. We're just going off to the milking, and we'll see what's happening here. How much milk do you get out of one cow?
About 15 litres.
Wow, that's amazing. So 15 litres out of every one cow, and these cows get milked twice a day, and there's approximately 200 cows. That's a lot of cheese and chocolate. Yum. So we absolutely love the story about this dairy. It's so beautiful. It's still family owned, and Giovanni Gallo actually made his way from southern Italy in 1924. It is a bit of a story, but long story short, he opened this dream of his in 2007.
Yes.
His son now takes over. His name is Frank Gallo, and absolutely amazing. Don't quote me on all of that, but hey, I've had a couple of Proseccos, I've had my cheese, and it's been such a beautiful afternoon. Gotta love these adventures. I'm not sure where we're going now on our next adventures, but hey, it's time to get in Big Brucey and off we go. You think you've got to be taller than me up there? You move over. That's better. Wow, Atherton. I know we haven't seen it all, but I hope I hope we've given you a little taste of what it has to offer.
Yep.
We definitely love it here. I think we will be back on our travels.
We will.
Yeah, it's been really nice. I'm not sure what's going on in the background. It's sort of like hazy, but it's still cold. But anyway, we're going to leave you guys here. Again, we hope you loved our episodes on Atherton.
Remember, go out, have adventures, have fun, be safe.
Absolutely. And if you're loving the videos, once again, guys, like, subscribe. And to all you new supporters, thank you. And to our treasured friends and family that watch us every week, love to yous all. And we will see you next week somewhere with our Jeep's adventures.
Till then.
See you then, guys.